So my TobenONE, you can see hooked up to my external monitor here with my MacBook Pro over here on the side, and you can see how I'm just doing some editing, which is really super nice, super easy to connect. Now, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to talk to you about this TobenONE USB-C docking station, or amazing docking station. The company did send this to me to do a demo and also to talk about the product itself. This is how it comes. I unboxed everything for you already. It comes with a quick setup guide, talks about all the different HDMI settings. This is a really nice docking station. USB-C basically is docking station, and then you can take everything out from that point on. So you get the power supply, they get the USB-C to USB-C cable, you get the plug itself. Heavy duty is also very, very heavy duty and very well made. And I love the look of this power brick. Very, very cool. So let's just move this all out of the way real quick. This is the box it comes in. Like you see, this is the quick guide and some information as well. So let's get this all out of the way. I just want to show you the docking station itself and just show you how impressed I am with this, the quality of this docking station. Let me just show you that. Okay, so we're going to talk about a couple of the connections here, a couple of the IOs. We have a USB-C 3.0 right here. You can see that. Here is the power button. There's a headphone jack here, which is really, I like that. 18-watt power source here. That's a USB-C as well. This is a standard SD card and a micro SD card for recording if you want to put a media in, which is really nice. I like that feature. USB 2.0 and then two 10 gigabit Ethernet ports, or USB 3.0 probably. But they are 10 gigabits, that says right here. And that's just the front alone. There's a lot in here. So I just want to give you a nice close-up of all that. It has a lot of IOs right here. Now let's look at the back here. Now the back, you have 4 HDMIs right here. Let me just get a close-up so you can see. HDMI 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 2 of the DP1s, which is, so that's what that's for. That's that and the power supply here. Again, USB 2.0 right here. This is where the host goes in. That's the host for when you plug into your laptop or PC or whatever you want to use. So use this as an extension of 4 different monitors, and also a LAN for Ethernet connection there as well. So also you want to download called software called Display Link. It's a driver, and that controls the computer driver with this box. So you can do a PC up to 4 displays and a Mac up to 3 displays. You can do 2K and 4K, but you definitely need that driver to get that rocking and rolling. Super easy to install. Let's continue talking about this. There you go. Now you can see what I'm talking about here. Real simple. Let me just show you that. So you get an idea of what I'm talking about here. So you have a lot of configurations, a lot of different options. You have Windows and Mac display. Okay, so you can see all the different configurations that you can do with this device. Love it, love it, love it. Once you hook it up into the host, you're good to go. You plug your power supply into here, you download the software. Basically, the software turns your Mac or your PC into a mirror, so you can actually get as many displays as you want, up to 4 displays, which is amazing. So you can have 2K, you can have... So my TobenONE, you can see hooked up to my external monitor here with my MacBook Pro over here on the side, and you can see how I'm just doing some editing, which is really super nice, super easy to connect. Now I'm going to do a quick cutaway. I'm going to show you on a large monitor how I'm going to show you a demonstration for display. Let's go. Okay guys, welcome back. So what I'm going to show you here is I have my MacBook Pro sitting right here. You can see I have my email open, and also on the back screen here I have my display. So this is a large display. I do conference calls, presentations on a 55-inch display right here, and all powered by this breakout box right here. Super easy. Again, this TobenONE is fantastic. You can have multiple monitors, up to 4 monitors, 2 at 2K and 2 at 4K if you want, depending on the configuration. With Mac is 3 monitors. With PC you can do 4 monitors, but it works fantastic. It's just super easy once you download the software. So over here is set up for multiple monitors. So here's one signal here. Here is the email. If you want single, you can just do a mirror. Once you have it all set up, you can do mirror display. Then I'll just do mirror just like that. As you can see, super easy. Or I can have multiple displays, extended display, which means you can have multiple displays, which all controlled by this box here. And just like that, there it is. So I can do my demonstrations, my presentations, all on a separate TV monitor or display monitor, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Just like you see here, I got 2 things up and running. Super easy. I just want to show you a quick demonstration. Definitely the way to go if you're looking to do multiple monitors. Super easy to use. Again, TobenONE all-in-one docking station. It does it all. Super easy, high quality, and it works beautifully. As you can see, I'll shut the power off and watch what happens. Boom, TV goes off, laptop goes back to its individual settings, and you're good to go. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love this item. Thanks for watching.